Hi Mortgage Heroes, Andy Cruz here in Business Development, and this is your weekly video newsletter. This week we're going to talk about two things. One is the new home price index that just came out ending the month of December 2020. So now this will encapsulate all the months of 2020 and the rise of home prices. And what we saw this month is that home prices over 2020 went up by 9.2% average. Now, of course, there's some places that are below that and some places are above, but an average of 9.2% from December 2019 all the way through December of 2020. And the home value train just keeps chugging along. Last month it was a little bit less than that from November of 19 to November of 2020. Now we see the December number that came in, which is higher than that one. So all signs point to a little bit of a continuation of that, even though early forecasted models thought that 2021 would be a cooling off of the home price value increase. Now, will it continue to ramp as hard as it's been going? Maybe not. But it looks like at least coming into the new year and maybe heading into the fall, we're gonna see price stability stay strong and the potential for those home price values to continue increasing just a little bit. The next thing I wanted to talk to you about today is kind of more of a forecast of what might come down the line in a couple of months. Now, already in the second week of the new administration, we're already seeing some changes to HUD. We're also seeing some changes to FHFA. We already talked to you a couple weeks ago about how Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac are staying in conservatorship, which there's going to be cost associated with that. Some of the new changes we're seeing with HUD and with FHFA lean themselves into us believing that there will be some increased costs for conducting mortgages. Now, we don't know what they're going to be, we don't know when they're going to be, and we don't know how much they're going to be. But you're asking, well, then why are you talking about this? Because there has not been an instance in all of our now 16 years of doing this business, there's not been an instance where there was additional regulation added to the process without an expense. Now, that expense sometimes shows up in like a fee. Sometimes it shows up in the rate changing and being bumped up by the banks and institutions in order to collect that fee from the consumer and then be able to pay the government agency. So anytime government agencies are reinflated and they have more staff added, they have new rules that come out, they have more regulations, more oversight, those all come with a price tag. So we're not complaining about those things, we're just letting you know that it is likely in the months ahead, once more of these things become clear on the types of programs that are gonna come out and also the types of increase of regulation that you're gonna see, there will likely be associated cost. It's just the way it's been in the past before. There's no reason for me to think it'll be a free pass this time and cost us nothing or cost consumers nothing. So I'm just telling you that now because if you were still on the fence and you have not refinanced, you really need to consider doing that now. We, again, don't know when rates are going to move up. We don't know when new costs are going to come into the process of either fee structure or impact into rates in order to pay said fee because of the decisions that are being made and the new things that are being implemented now at the government level. So that's a heads up. We're not gonna tell you what to do. We're just telling you what we think is gonna happen. We don't know when it's gonna happen. We don't know how much, and we don't know what it'll be for. But in the past, all these things, when they come together, they've led to increased regulation, greater oversight, greater supervision, and greater cost that goes all the way down to the consumer level. That's all we got for you this week. Thank you so much for watching. If you know that this video can help a friend or family member, coworker even, please forward this on to them. Let them know we'd be happy to help. And of course, anytime you need to reach us, go ahead and give us a call, send us an email, let us know how we can help you win in real estate and mortgage in 2021. Thanks, and we'll see you next week.